Hello everyone. If you have got USA tourist visa, this is a golden opportunity for you. You can now apply for jobs in USA, you can give interview in USA, and with this video I'm going to help you how exactly you can do that. So let us get started. So this is an email from United States Citizenship and Immigration Service. They made it clear that if you have got B1 or B2 visa, you can now apply for jobs in USA, you can give interview in USA. So as you can see that they have made it clear that yes, it is permissible to apply for jobs. Yes, it is permissible to appear for interview and you can get job in USA if you have got B1 B2 visa. So B1 B2 is basically for business or tourism purpose. So you can go to US as a tourist. You can start looking for job. In this video, I will help you with tips that you can use to get job in USA. So first tip would obviously be that networking. Networking is the most important thing. If you have got good networking, if you know people in US, if there is somebody that can help you find job in USA, then you have got a head start. But if you don't know anybody in USA, there are things that can help you in networking. So reach out to people in your field, attend career fairs, and make connections with professionals in the industry. So yes, in attend industry events, conferences, and meet relevant people in your field. So if you are a tax professional, then start looking for people in the tax field. To try start reaching out to them. And one place that I feel is really good if you want to reach out to people is LinkedIn. It is a really great place if you want to meet recruiters. You can understand what skills they need and you can talk to them, you can get ideas from them, and trust me, it helps. If you have got good network on LinkedIn, if you can talk to a lot of people on LinkedIn, if you have a lot of recruiters in your connection list, this helps. This will get you very far. Before you do anything, it is important that you update your resume. Make sure your resume is up to date and tailored to the specific job you are applying for. And your cover letter, it should be customized to the job that you are applying for. And in that cover letter, you should mention why you are interested in working in United States and if you have any previous experience, how it can help you in your future job. So make sure to customize your cover letter for each position that you're applying for. Also, again, I would like to talk a little bit more about LinkedIn. Use LinkedIn to search for people who are working in the companies that you are looking to apply and reach out to them for any advice. Reach out to them, understand how they got into that company. This will help you and talk to them and ask them that if there are any job openings. This could really help you. So, this is one thing that people do. Say, for example, if you want to get into Deloitte, so search for people working in Deloitte, search for people working in Deloitte in that country, reach out to them, message them, ask that what skills recruiter in Deloitte are looking for specifically, work on those skills, learn. There are so much available on YouTube that you can use. There's so much available on internet that you can use to upgrade yourself, upskill yourself. Learn it. It is not difficult to get a job. If you want help, trust me, there are many people that can help you. But the important point is that you need to ask for help. If you ask for help, you will be given help. But if you don't ask for help, if you don't look for job, you are not going to get it. Finding a job in US can be a very competitive, but it is not impossible. So there are two things that if you do, you can get a job in United States. You need to be persistent, which means that you need to keep applying and you need to be patient. If you are persistent and if you are patient and if you have got the right skill, you are going to get the job. Enough motivation for today. Now you need to apply for jobs online. So there are different websites that you can use to apply for jobs online: LinkedIn, Indeed, Glassdoor, Monster, Career Builder. You can check company websites. You can connect with recruiters on LinkedIn, as I've already mentioned. And if you are struggling to find full time employment, consider doing an internship or volunteering with a company or organization in your field. This can be a great way to gain experience, build your network, and potentially this could lead you to a job offer in the future. So, if you're not getting full time employment, consider doing an internship. Even if it is unpaid, that's fine. As long as you are getting experience and if it could help you, you should go for that. Also, I thought that this could be helpful. Many companies are now offering remote work opportunities, which may be a good option. So you can look at these websites. But remember that nothing beats networking. So you can apply online. Maybe it will not work, maybe it will work. But if you have good networking, that is definitely gonna work. But if nothing else works, this should be your last option. That reach out to an immigration lawyer if you really want to go to United States. If you really want to work in United States, reach out to an immigration lawyer. You can search online about the immigration lawyer. You can ask your friends, your colleagues, or any other people about any immigration lawyer that they know. And then when you meet the immigration lawyer, you should ask them some questions. So you can ask questions like, what are your options for finding a job while on B1, B2 visa? How can they help you navigate the immigration process? And you can ask them any other question also. So if after listening to their answer you feel that yes, they could help you in getting job, then you can get into a contract with them. But it is important for you to know that you need to be very honest and transparent with them. Tell them about any previous visa application, any refusal, your employment history, and your future plans. What are your expectations? You need to tell the immigration lawyer. And it is important that you discuss how much fees they are going to take. So everything should be discussed beforehand. And and another thing is that you should go to immigration lawyer only if you know like the person is genuine and he's not going to like do some scam. So that is very important, and that is why it is important that if you go on a visitor visa to the United States, you talk to people. uh, Networking, again, as I've said, it is very important. So if you talk to people, if you know about that place, you will know that if that immigration lawyer can help you or not. And as I have said that if after the consultation you feel like that they can help you in your job search and your visa application, then you can discuss the fees and finally you can enter the contract. And this is how you can get a job in United States. There are other ways also that you can get a job in United States. For example, if you are working for a company that has a branch in US, they can send you on L1 visa. So that is for another day. So this is what I wanted to discuss in this video, that with B1 B2 visa you can come to USA, you can find job, and this is how you do it. Thank you. If you like my content, please subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to make more videos on these topics. Thank you so much.